Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the keyboard predictable. Enable num lock and choose the numeric keypad if you have one. Place your right hand so each finger maps to a group of digits, and keep your left on the home row for stability. Once set, run 10 short sequences, 1-2-3, 4-5-6, 7-8-9, to prime motor memory. Move deliberately at first to build clean motion rather than speed. That foundation reduces errors as you ramp up. Now focus on pattern practice that forces quick transitions. Run sequences like 12-34 and 56-78, then mix diagonals to train less natural motions. Alternate fingers intentionally so you avoid overlying on one digit. This balances strain and improves accuracy. Use 30-second timed bursts and track your numeric speed, aiming to increase it by about 5% each week. Make sure to rest briefly between bursts so you don't finish by applying your skill to actual work. Type invoices, spreadsheets, and forms to cement accuracy under realistic pacing. Gradually raise your speed goal while keeping errors under about 2%. When mistakes climb, slow down and correct technique. If numbers misregister or typing feels inconsistent, check num lock state first, then test another keyboard or update drivers. This single troubleshooting step solves many problems. Finally, keep short daily sessions to preserve gains and prevent regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.